start. So a state space analysis, we are going to start the first unit, state space analysis. I already told this subject is very, very, uh, pure numerical, pure mathematical, you can say. So you don't expect from this, you know, from this subject, we are going to cover some theory part. Okay. So in introductory, however, I will try to cover with, some introductory part, how the state space analysis is evolved, what is the need of this state space analysis. So before going into the detail of the state space and need of the state space, you have to understand first what is the problem with the basic control system. Basic control system, or a limitation of the conventional or classical control approach. If you understand this problem, a limitation of, you can say, limitation of conventional, or you can say the classical control approach. If you are able to understand this problem, damn sure you can find out the solution of this problem in the form of the state space, right? So what are the different problem? So in the classical control theory, as you know that in the classical control theory, this is the block diagram, just trying to draw the block diagram of the classical control theory. That is the input side, this is represented in the form of RS. This is the controller, okay, and then this is the, you can anyone tell me, control valve or the final control element. Then there is some disturbance from the other side. Then this is the process, and then this is the feedback, and finally you can find out the output from this side. This is the YS, and this is the feedback system. The error is generated here in the form of ES, okay. Whatever the, let's say this is the signal BS, the negative feedback is there, so RS minus BS represent the what? Error. And this, based on this error, whatever the generated, if there is no error, the control will not act. If the error is generated, then the controller will send the signal to the control valve, what amount of the steam is going to move, so that the flow rate can be changed accordingly, and the process variable can be controlled. So this is the way. So this is the fundamental of the any basic control, basic classical approach. So you can see here the dependency is only on the input, output, and the error. We are only consider these things: input, output, error, nothing else. Okay. However, also the analysis and design of the control system are the analysis and design of control system are carried out by using, क्या करते हैं कोई बताएगा? हम किसी भी इस पूरे सिस्टम को एनालिसिस करने के लिए we are going to find out some transfer function. Yes or no? What is the transfer function? Transfer function is simply output upon input in the term of the Laplace transform. Yes or no? Output in the Laplace transform, input in the Laplace transform, and it is only the tool by which we can analyze the system. Based on the system, we find out the stability, we find out anything. Okay, so for the simulation also we are using this transfer function. So the analysis and design of the control system are carried out by using the transfer function. Okay, transfer function. And for the and this is the main you can say the key, and with the help of this transfer function we are going to find out the stability using root locus and route Hurwitz, okay, Nyquist plot and anything, right? So these are the some control system tools, basic control system, classical control system tools by which we can study. Okay, again, the unique characteristic of this, the unique characteristic of classical approach, you can say. Classical approach means classical control system, right? Classical control system or theory. The unique characteristic of this control theory is it is based on, it is based upon input output, input output relation of the system. Yes or no? Input output relation. Input output relation कैसा है? Or you can say simply the transfer function. Simply you can say the transfer function. ठीक बात है? Yes or no? यहाँ तक ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the main disadvantage, अब जरा मुझे बताएं कि इसमें क्या disadvantage आपको लग रहा है? What are the different disadvantage? Which type of problem you are not going to handle with the help of such type of the system? What we have framed.
सर एक तो ट्रांसफर फंक्शन सर लीनियर टाइम इनवेरिएंट के लिए होता है
Yes.
सर.
So the problem, you can say, the problem
Yes, sir.
encountered with the problem encountered with this approach or the classical control is, so first problem you have framed, that is the LTI. This type of the problem is not going to handle beyond LTI, linear time invariant. If the system is non-linear, you are not able to understand. If the system is time variant, you are not able to approach this type of the system. So first of all, it is only restricted to the only restricted, you can say, to the LTI system. Yes or no? Second thing,
Yes, sir.
second thing, since you know that when you are going to find the transfer function, when you are going to find out the transfer function, it means the system should be single input, single output, SISO system. Yes or no? SISO system, single input, single output system. So it is again the restriction is SISO system. This is the restriction, SISO system. When the multiple input, multiple output will come, you are not able to find out the transfer function. Simple. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in order to handle, तो अब हमें प्रॉब्लम किस तरह का है? प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास है, हमें इस तरह के प्रॉब्लम को हैंडल करना है जो नॉन लीनियर हो. The problem may be occurred with the non-linear, maybe the time varying, yes or no, maybe the MIMO system, multi-input, multiple output system. So what about that? What about that? We have to search the another tool, right? We have to search the another type of tool in order to handle such type of problem. Okay, so the new approach has been proposed. So that propose a new, you can say, approach to control system have been proposed for the analysis and design, and this approach is known as the modern control theory, or you can the system. Okay, right? So इसमें है क्या? इसमें what is the specialty, what is the characteristic, what are the features of the modern control system? As you know that the generalized real time of problem, real time, you can say, the real time control system problem, any problem in the nature are the non-linear. Yes or no? Non-linear, as well as
Yes,
the
sir.
time varying, okay, as well as many of the input is dependent on the output, okay, So you can say also, and many of the output may be there. So MIMO system is there. So in order to find out the solution of the real-time problem, real-time complexities, what are the complexity, the non-linearity, time variant, or MIMO. So such type of the modern control theory can be used to handle such complexities, right? In 1960s, this theory, the modern control theory, has been proposed. Okay, and what is the basis of the modern control theory? The basis of the modern control theory is the state concept of, you can say, concept of state. Concept of state is the main keyword for the modern control theory. So now what is the state? Okay, what is the state? We will now going to cover. Achha, one more thing is also there that I have not covered. Within 1 minute, I want to cover that also. Whenever you find, whenever you going to find out the transfer function, okay, uh, for any of the LTI system, then usually you are putting all the initial condition 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All the initial
Yes, sir.
condition 0. So can anyone tell me why we are going to put the initial condition 0?
Sir, because they ensure the linearity of the systems.
Yes, yes, very good. We are going to ensure the non-linearity of the system. We are not going to handle the non-linear system. अब हम देखेंगे एग्जाम्पल से कि अगर हम ऐसा ना करें तो क्या होगा. अगर हम ले लें इनिशियल कंडीशन को तो प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाएगा. We will take the one example. We'll try to understand with the one numerical problem. So here just the concept is whenever you're going to find out the transfer function of the LTI system, we are ensuring that the initial conditions would be the 0. However, it means whatever the problem, whatever the non-linear problem was there, we are just ignore that non-linearity due to the initial condition 0. Okay, we are ignored. So we are not going to the real picture. So we are for the handling such type of real picture, or you can say the non-linearity, modern control system also enables us to include, right, to include initial initial condition in the design, in the control and design problem, right? So it is again one of the important thing. We will going to study the initial condition also in this picture. So by tomorrow we will start with state and state variable and the some mathematical expression, the state and state variable, right? So this is the overall picture of the modern control theory.